So this is Euro dollar analysis for Monday the 17th of September. Now let's just have a look at them prices and we price them like they go. So previously we had prices trade above the 1720. Didn't quite get towards that 1728. Came within a couple of pips of that 1728. So the sell side momentum take us through the 1660 all the way down towards this 400 period average. Brief rally, broke below the 400 period average and this 1620. Didn't quite get down towards that 1612, from which we've seen a bullish buy side momentum test the 1660 at present. So if we do see a breakdown from the 1660, looking for to see if we do find support in either around the 200 and 400 period moving averages. Successful break from which we're looking to test 1612, and if there is sufficient volatility here to the downside, possibly even at 1578 or at 1554 may come into focus here on the euro dollar. If however we can break and hold the 1660, we're looking for a move up towards that 1710, successful break from which looking for a true test of that 1728, and if there is that volatility bring us beyond the if we do see the volatility beyond the 17, what's going on here? If we see the volatility taking us beyond the 17, then looking for prices. We are then looking for prices to head up towards that 1771 here on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frame, see how prices are developing. So we'll have a look here at the weekly chart to get scaled on here, correct? So on this weekly chart, we have our lows in around at 113. Had this rally, rejected the higher prices, had a brief pullback, and we do appear to be having that next stage of a rally here in that we've posted our lows. We do appear to be posting a higher low. We do seem poised, especially if we can hold on to 1664 higher prices in around that 1710 and that 1728, and possibly even beyond that here to the upside. But we'll see if we do get that follow through. But at present it does appear that way here on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart for finally wrapping up. So on this daily chart of the euro against dollar, we've had this rally up towards this 1728. Previous scenario found a bit of quite a bit of resistance for this. It's pull back down towards our 113. Again, we've come pretty close to the 1728 pullback, and again we've come pretty close again towards that 1728. We did post a pretty rather bearish candle from a daily chart perspective, closing near our lows, but we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So we'll see if we can successfully navigate the 1660 and possibly that 400 period moving average before targeting that 1710. Previous scenario, we've encountered resistance, and if we can break out to the upside beyond 1710, 1728, again we'll be looking for price up towards that 1771 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.